Hey buddy! This is Online Gadgets. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best budget 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best budget 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Elegoo Centauri Carbon 3D Printer. The Elegoo Centauri Carbon is an excellent, reasonably priced 3D printer for beginners. It's easy to learn and operate, has a large print bed, and is fully enclosed so you can use filaments such as ABS. With a roomy print bed, a large control panel, and very good print quality, the Elegoo Centauri Carbon, $299.99, seems like it should cost a lot more than it does. But the budget 3D printer market is extremely competitive right now, so this combination of strengths at this price is what we expect. Printers like the Centauri Carbon are a boon to today's 3D printing novices, an excellent filament-based printer for budget-conscious beginners who want both ease of use and some higher-end features. It's a solid closed-frame alternative to the editor's choice-winning, open-frame Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Like many makers of 3D printers these days, Elegoo offers a range of filament-based models, from the open-frame Neptune series to the Orange Storm very large bed printers to the Centauri line. The Centauri Carbon is currently the flagship of that latter line, though not the most expensive. Elegoo also offers resin printers, with the soon-to-be-reviewed Saturn IV Ultra being the newest. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro. You don't have to be a pro to appreciate the Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro, an easy-to-use 3D printer that's suited to beginners and 3D printing hobbyists alike. The S1 Pro employs the same open-frame design as the Ender-3 V2 and the Prusa i3 series of printers. Measuring 24.6 by 19.2 by 17.9 inches HWD, the printer's frame is slightly wider than that of the Ender-3 V2. The same goes for the S1 Pro's build area, which measures around 10.7 by 8.7 by 8.7 inches. Weight-wise, the printer is a hefty 18.9 pounds, though it's almost 10 pounds lighter than the Anycubic M5, another open-frame printer that earned an Editor's Choice Award. Creality opts for a spring steel polyaceramide (PI) build plate, which magnetically adheres to the base and allows for both speedy heating and good adhesion. To remove your prints, you can give the plate a slight bend. The plate is relatively maintenance-free, doesn't require any additional adhesives like glue, and is easier to manage than a glass bed. Like the Ender-3 V2, the printer's base holds the power supply and supports the carriage on which the build platform can move in and out. The front of the printer has a USB-C port, as well as an SD card slot. Number 3. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. The open-frame Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus 3D printer produces big, high-quality prints for a moderate price, making it a good choice for a hobbyist or daring newbie with enough table or bench space to put it. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus, $425, can produce exceptionally large prints for a sub-$500 3D printer, and in our extensive testing managed to produce generally very good quality objects with minimal problems. Assembly is required but straightforward. The strengths of the Neptune 4 Plus make it easy to recommend as an Editor's Choice-winning budget 3D printer for hobbyists, as well as an excellent option for beginners who are willing to roll up their sleeves. Just be sure to buy a filament spool or 2 when you purchase the printer, or buy it as part of a bundle, as the base model doesn't include any filament. Elegoo, founded in 2015 and based in Shenzhen, China, specializes in making inexpensive 3D printers, both filament, FDM, and resin-based, stereolithography, AKSLA, models, and accessories, as well as STEM kits. The name is a mashup of ELE and GOO, as the company describes on its website. ELE comes from the word electronic, which means open-source electronic. GOO comes from the word Google, meaning the 100th power of 10. The written form is 1 followed by 100 zeros, referring to the huge amount of structural models brought by 3D printers. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a top-notch 3D printer for beginners or hobbyists seeking an affordable option. It's easy to get going, fast, capable of 4-color printing and makes great-looking prints. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is an affordable 3D printer in its own right, but it also offers an inexpensive add-on module that can print with any or all of 4 different colored filaments, making multicolor creations easy. It generates high-quality prints at a relatively high speed too. The A1 Mini is exceptionally easy to get up and running and proved to be problem-free in our testing. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a filament-based 3D printer suitable for beginners and budget-minded hobbyists alike. It's the lowest-cost 4-color fused deposition modeling (FDM) printer currently on the market and a superb choice for someone who wants a stellar out-of-the-box experience, simple operation, and some money left in the bank. Number 5. Creality K1C 3D Printer. I've been 3D printing for several years and have owned multiple printers from Creality and other brands, but the K1C absolutely raises the bar. From unboxing to first print, the experience has been fantastic. Setup took less than 15 minutes thanks to the auto-leveling and smart calibration system. The first thing you notice is the speed. It really can print up to 600 mm per second without sacrificing quality. I printed a detailed mechanical part that usually takes me 4 hours on my old printer, and the K1C finished it in just over an hour with excellent layer consistency. The carbon fiber filament support is another huge plus. The new 300 degrees Celsius high-temp all-metal hot end handles carbon fiber and nylon with ease, producing durable, pro-grade parts that feel solid and smooth. The direct drive extruder feeds flawlessly with no clogs or under-extrusion so far. Noise levels are low, and the enclosed design keeps temperature stable. I also love the Wi-Fi connectivity and Creality Print software integration, which makes remote monitoring and adjustments super convenient. Overall, the K1C is a powerhouse, fast, precise, and built to handle advanced materials without hassle. If you're upgrading from an Ender or looking for a reliable high-speed printer for prototyping or hobby use, this is hands down one of the best choices in 2025.